Now, next we're going to talk about the Plié-Soutenu. So they're actually done in a first position and in a fifth position with fifth position to sous-sus. So arm is going to go preparation 1, E2, E open. So you're going to do battement tendu and then plie same time. E goes tendu front, plie, E stretch, close first. E is to the side, tendu, plie, E stretch. E goes to the back, E close, and to the side, E close. So all that has to happen together. So your knees have to stretch together, E together. Don't go tendu and then plie. So you have to really go plie. One more time, goes E, plie, E close first. Now, very important, you see, she's going a little bit here. You still keep the concept of the battement tendu, trying to open that leg, okay? And goes to the side, you keep that heel, point that foot, E close, E goes to the back, plie, E close to the first position. Very important, when you stretch the supporting leg, the leg has to arrive together, not separately, okay? So one more time, goes E1, E stretch, E2, E stretch, E head, 1, E stretch. Same thing in the fifth position. Let's go fifth position. Preparation arm goes 1, E, open, bum. E goes plie, 1, close, fifth, side, 1, plie, close, back, 1, E, close, and to the side, and close. So very important again, really pay attention on your supporting leg, that the knee does not go forward when you go plie. I'm going to explain one more time. When she's going to go, E goes 1, open that knee. That's where that knee needs to be, and keep that right hip back. You see what she's doing? She's pushing this. So I'm going to push this forward, and then she needs to push that right hip. Ah, there we go. There she's having a hard time to stay. E close, fifth, together. E goes 1. Don't wobble with the hips. E close, back. E goes 1, back. E open that knee. Stay on your supporting leg. Head to the side. Left arm in front. Left arm is in front. E, pull, together, fifth, okay? Then, as your kids start actually getting more comfortable, then you're doing right leg front. In a fifth position, you're going to do in sous-sus. So, same thing, preparation arm goes 1, E, head stays. E goes plie, same thing, E, plie. Now you're going to pull both legs on sous-sus, heels down. Don't bend the knees. 1, up. Don't bend the knees, only heel. E, don't bend the knees. E together. 1, E, pull up. E goes side. 1, E, close. So you really need to feel how your legs are actually pulling under you. Yeah, not closing one leg and then going, but as the back supporting leg lifts, it lifts your front leg and pulls it together. It's like almost think of the leg that you're standing, sitting, it tells that right leg, come with me, and then you're pulling it up. Okay, one more time, let's demonstrate that. E goes, preparation 1, 2, E goes 1, pull up, keep those heels together, nice clean releve with the heels going forward, E down, E goes to the side, plie together, E lift, E goes back, head to the side, E lift.